Did a little improvement on the solar generator. This one wasn't enough. If I used it a lot, it couldn't keep the battery up. Or it did, but the battery is so big and heavy it takes a lot to charge it. So this one here will put out 5 amps. There's the wires coming down in. 13 volts, 12.5 volts, jumping in between. The sun is kicking in and out. There's 13 volts, 5 amps, half an amp, 12.5 volts. The battery's full. Here's the chain sharpener I'll use, and that's for in the winter time when our power goes out, I can run my outside stove. This solar panel here didn't put out quite enough power as I wanted. It took longer. This one will charge that battery up quick. That's the inverter. 1500 watt, and turn it off or on. But it'll run my outdoor stove if the power goes out in the winter. That's what I'm always concerned about.